It's what we've all been waiting for. Okay, probably not you, but this is what I've been waiting for. This is going to be really cool. When I was a young pubescent child, my family weren't the wealthiest. Every toy that I had when I was younger, I guarded with my life. There's certain toys that I grew up with that I always wondered what's inside of them. I've got loads of 90s toys. I'm gonna crack open and see what's actually inside after all these years. I'm 24 now, so it's been quite a long time. I've gone on Amazon. I've got loads and loads and loads of items. First box is right here. I've got this inflatable sofa. I always wanted one when I was a kid. I actually never owned this when I was a kid. I've always wanted one. I don't actually know why I actually brought this. But this, on the other hand, it's called a water snake, and I always wondered what these balls feel like. I could have worded that a lot better than I just did. Next box. I always wondered what's inside a lava lamp. I thought if I cracked it open, it was actual real lava when I was younger and it was gonna burn my skin. It'll be interesting to actually see what's inside. Pop-up pirate. When I was watching cartoons when I was younger, I always used to see this advert. Is there gold in there? Like, what's inside? Why is he trying to shank a man? Why is he protecting a barrel? This, yeah, look at his face. Look at his face. How is he even alive? His eyes aren't even attached to his skull. Or what is inside? We just don't know. We don't know. Etch-a-sketch, guys. I always wanted one as a kid. I've heard these are really, really hard to do. How do these even operate? So what if I want to go there and I don't want to just stay in that box? I've literally just made a box. What? I don't even know what I'm making. Surely people don't get good at this. How does this work? I'm not convinced that you can actually make any decent art out of it. How am I meant to draw anything? How am I meant to draw Pepsi Max Cherry? No, I'm actually confused. There's nothing there. I just feel like he's about to do some madness right now, you know, dog. I want to know how much critical hours, yeah, he didn't talk to his wife in order to get this good at Etch-a-Sketch. Etch-a-Sketch? There's no way. I just don't understand how you can get that good at that. This? Do you know how difficult this is? Oh, snow globe. Literally just the snow globe. I kind of just wanted to smash one. I don't think there was any premise. This is also another item that I wish I had that I couldn't afford. Oh no, I always wanted one of these. Oh, look at that. Yo, ladies, yeah, you're on a date with my boy over here. I think this is the only piece of clothing he's got, but gal them, if you're on a serious date, yeah, my man will give you the maddest night ever. Gee. So, you know? So, you're just gonna lie down? Little Rubik's Cube. I always wanted one of these. I don't think any of the items that I've got here I actually had as a kid. Rubik's Cube art? No, they don't. What? What's that? Oh my gosh. The guy solves Rubik's Cube with tongue. Why does he look like that? Yo, have some cereal. Yo. What's he gonna be like his final act? Is he just gonna bench press like a whole heap of Rubik's Cubes? Fastest Rubik's Cube solve. Oh my gosh, he did that in 5 seconds. Look how proud he is. He's looking like, yo, where's all my bitches at? Imagine if you could get girls with Rubik's Cube. I'm better than all of you. That's what he's saying. Oh, that kid, the kid in the red top here, his only chance of fame was that record. He was next, and he's just looking at the ground like, what's the point of my existence? Can you buy Rubik's Cubes that solve themselves? Robot Rubik's Cube. Alright guys, today, hold tight the dirty trim. Hair's still better than Luke's. NJ's. We are going to destroy everything, and I didn't realise how slippery these things are, yeah, but as a kid, playing with these, I didn't realise how sexualised they are. I was literally just doing that. Please monetise me. What should we have first? We've got Gooey Louie or Pop-Up Pirate.
Send him to Davy Jones' locker.
I'm going to go for Pop-Up Pirate. Where's the pirate though? You okay? I'm so sorry.
When your legs don't work like they used to before.
Hey, we've got all of the knives in there.
I just realised.
What?
Pop-up pirate in it. You have to put the knives and put him down. Then you actually... It's not pull-out pirate.
Let's have a little game. Come on. Why is that so nerve-wracking? This is nerve-wracking. I don't like this. This whole video is now based on Pop-Up Pirate. The first person to Pop-Up Pirate wins 10 grand. Oh! Oh! Does this even work? Fuck this! There's no gold in there. I thought I was gonna see like gold and shit. What am I doing? Why am I cutting off Pete's head, bro? Oh, what is that? It's just spring and like a plastic thing to make it pop up. I think it's one slot that makes it pop up, you know. This is so cheap to make and I bet they made hundreds of millions of pounds from this. Next! This is interesting. What the fuck? It's just a snow globe, isn't it? Next!
No, you need to hammer it.
Bro. It doesn't smell like water. It's like chemical. Why did I even buy this? Next! Gooey Louie. He's from Scunthorpe, isn't he? He's got 2 tongues. Gotta pull 2 bogies out. Yeah! Come on! Oh, it's heating up now, boys! That was the shittest roll I've ever seen. Okay, that's kind of nerve-wracking, you know. Oh, shit! Shit! 2! There's 2. That was 1. Fucking... Why is it so strong? I've got an idea. Next. Wonder if this is gonna work.
Don't breathe that shit in.
Oh. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna stop that one there. I think we know what's inside. It's a bit dangerous if I carry on. Well, guys, you know what they say in Texas? Bottoms up. I'm not drinking that. Is this wax or something? That is such a beautiful colour. Should I just smash it on the floor outside? This looks like mashed potato. Next! It's Stretch Armstrong. Phelan, could you please pull this as far as you can? Oh my god! Wow, it's just a thick gel. Oh my god, he's been wearing a condom as a body this whole time.
It's so thick, isn't it?
Next! It's what we've all been waiting for. Okay, probably not you, but this is what I've been waiting for. This is going to be really cool. Oh, don't worry, bro. I'm an airbender, bro.
Nah, that's not.
What? I can't do it. The reason why that's not got anything there, it's wrapped around that. That was me potentially getting a really bad lung infection. Please, thumbs up this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, because all of us in this house are going to be killing it with insane concepts and content. So, TGF wedding this year, child just dropped summer. Bye guys! See you in a bit.
I'm a smoke on my blood, just into my pain. Steady floating out of space so I don't go insane. Staring in my face, all the better days. I'm trying to make my mama proud so she don't cry no more. Opportunity on that line.